Well, today I'm going to install the ExactFit magnetic phone mount from Rennline. These instructions will basically, these really nice colored photos will be worthless because we have the Bose audio system on the 987.1, and that's for without the Bose system. So here we have the Bose system. Sure. Let's see if you can see that. That's what it looks like here. And to get this out, we have to start by removing this piece here. You just take it here on the bottom and it snaps right out. And inside we have a Torx. Take that out. Okay. The Torx number that it is a T25. So take that out, and then the whole power outlet piece will come hang down, and it'll reveal two screws on the back side of the piece we're mounting the phone mount to, and that should be a T20. So we'll take the T20, we'll take those screws out. And we'll put those aside. Okay, so how this goes is there's a little notch, as you can see, right here. There's also another one on the other side. It would go on that second clip. It fits right around the bottom of the second clip. This little notch over here would be if you're putting it on the driver's side. Use that one if it's on the passenger side. So there you go. So we're able to get it in, and the two tabs we took the screws out, the T20 screws. They you might have to pull the plastic to get it back over the thing, and if you have trouble getting it off, you might have to pull this way towards you to and pull that way as well. Replace the screws, put that back up, and you're done. Put the metal backing plate on the phone. And you're good to go. Swivels all around. Also got the backing plate on the tablet.
So if you like this video and you want to see more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.